Hey there, and welcome to RevvRally AI Career Assistant. I'm excited to show you how this powerful AI tool will transform your job search. This tool will help you stand out from the crowd with perfectly tailored resumes and cover letters. Most people take one of two approaches to the job application process. Some people go for quantity. They send the same resume and cover letter to hundreds of companies, hoping a few of them will get noticed. Other people go for quality. They apply to just a few roles, but carefully craft resumes and cover letters for each one. It seems like a great idea, but even the best applications still have a small chance of landing an interview. What if AI could help you apply for jobs with both quality and quantity? What if AI could help you uncover skills and experiences you've forgotten about? What if AI could give you fresh ideas on roles that are a great fit for you? All of this is possible and easy. Last, with RevvRally AI Career Assistant. When you first arrive, you'll see our welcome screen highlighting 4 key benefits: AI-powered resume tailoring, job match analysis, killer cover letters, career coaching. To get started, simply click the Sign In with Google button after checking the boxes to agree to our privacy policy and terms of service. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface with tabs across the top that guide you through the entire process. Let's walk through each step together. Setting up your profile. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the User Profile tab. This is where the magic begins. Think of this as building your professional foundation. The better your profile, the better your results will be. The first time you're on this page, you'll be asked to upload your resume. If you already have a resume, click that for the fastest setup. Our AI will analyze your existing resume and automatically populate your profile with your information. It's like having a personal assistant who reads and organizes your entire work history in seconds. If you prefer to start fresh, you can manually fill in each section. Basic information: your name, location, contact details, all the essentials employers need to reach you. Summary: your expertise, passions, and career goals. This helps our AI understand what makes you unique. Work experience: your professional history with detailed descriptions of your roles, responsibilities, and achievements. Additional experience: volunteer work, side projects, or other relevant activities that showcase your skills. Education: your academic background and accomplishments. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right away. You can always come back and edit your profile later. The more complete your profile is, the better your AI-generated documents will be. Pro tip: see those little chat icons next to some fields? Click them for personalized coaching feedback on how to improve your descriptions. It's like having a career advisor review your content in real time. Using the Career Coach. Once your profile is set up, let's check out the Career Coach tab. This is like having a career advisor in your pocket. Click on the Suggested Job Titles button, and our AI will analyze your background to recommend job roles that match your skills and experience. This is super helpful if you're exploring new career paths or want to discover positions you might not have considered. The suggestions will appear below the button, complete with explanations of why these roles might be a good fit for you. Use these insights to broaden your job search horizons, focus on positions where you'll truly shine, discover emerging roles in your field, identify skills you might want to develop. The Career Coach doesn't just list job titles, it provides thoughtful analysis of your background and connects it to market opportunities. It's like having a professional career counselor who knows both your strengths and the job market inside out. Take a moment to review these suggestions before moving on to the next step. You might discover the perfect job title you hadn't considered before. Adding a job description. Now let's move to the Job Description tab. This is where you'll input the details of a job you're interested in applying for. You have 2 easy options. 1, paste the job posting URL in the top field and click the arrow button. Our AI will automatically scrape and extract the job description for you. Note, this might take up to a minute, so be patient. 2, or simply copy and paste the job description text directly into the large text area below. Make sure to include the full job description. Don't worry about formatting. Our AI is smart enough to extract the important information regardless of how it's structured. Just make sure all the key details are there. Once you've added the job description, you're ready to see how well your profile matches the position. Evaluating your job fit. Now that you've entered a job description, let's head to the Job Fit Evaluation tab. This is where RevvRally's AI analyzes how well your profile matches the job requirements. Click the Evaluate Job Fit button and watch as our AI goes to work. It compares your skills, experience, and background against the job description to determine your overall fit for the position. Within moments, you'll receive a comprehensive analysis that includes an overall match score, strengths that make you a good candidate, potential gaps in your qualifications, specific recommendations to improve your application. Take a close look at your qualification gaps and think through your career to see if you have relevant skills or experiences that you did not mention in your user profile. If so, go back to your user profile and add them in. This is the key to landing the perfect job. The more we know about you, the more we can tailor your resume and cover letter. By repeating this process for each job you apply to, your profile will become a rich source of information for the AI to use. Generating your tailored resume. Now let's move to the Resume tab to create a perfectly tailored resume for this specific job. Before generating your resume, you have the option to provide additional instructions to the AI. Use the text box at the top to add any specific requests, such as emphasizing certain skills or experiences, focusing on particular achievements. When you're ready, click the Generate Resume button. Our AI will analyze your profile and the job description, then create a customized resume that highlights your most relevant qualifications. This process might take up to a minute. That's because our AI is carefully crafting a document that positions you as the ideal candidate. Once your resume is generated, it will automatically open in a new tab for you to review. Your browser might block pop-ups. In that case, allow the browser to display pop-ups from this site. The resume is applicant tracking system friendly, meaning it is easily read by all the major job application platforms out there. To save this resume as a PDF that you can submit, simply use your browser's print functionality and print to PDF. Save the file in a folder that you'll remember. You'll also see an analysis of how well your new resume matches the job requirements. This analysis highlights key qualifications that are addressed, important keywords that are included, how effectively your experience aligns with the job. What makes this resume special is that it's not just a generic document that you use for every job application. It's strategically crafted to emphasize the aspects of your background that matter most for this specific position. Each time you apply for a different job, you can generate a fresh resume that's optimized for that particular opportunity. Generating your tailored resume. Now let's move to the Resume tab to create a perfectly tailored resume for this specific job. Before generating your resume, you have the option to provide additional instructions to the AI. Use the text box at the top to add any specific requests, such as emphasizing certain skills or experiences, focusing on particular achievements. When you're ready, click the Generate Resume button. Our AI will analyze your profile and the job description, then create a customized resume that highlights your most relevant qualifications. This process might take up to a minute. That's because our AI is carefully crafting a document that positions you as the ideal candidate. Once your resume is generated, it will automatically open in a new tab for you to review. Your browser might block pop-ups. In that case, allow the browser to display pop-ups from this site. The resume is applicant tracking system friendly, meaning it is easily read by all the major job application platforms out there. To save this resume as a PDF that you can submit, simply use your browser's print functionality and print to PDF. Save the file in a folder that you'll remember. You'll also see an analysis of how well your new resume matches the job requirements. This analysis highlights key qualifications that are addressed, important keywords that are included, how effectively your experience aligns with the job. What makes this resume special is that it's not just a generic document that you use for every job application. It's strategically crafted to emphasize the aspects of your background that matter most for this specific position. Each time you apply for a different job, you can generate a fresh resume that's optimized for that particular opportunity. Creating your perfect cover letter. Finally, let's visit the Cover Letter tab to complete your application package. This is where RevvRally really shines, creating personalized, compelling cover letters that complement your resume and make a strong case for why you're the right person for the job. Before generating your cover letter, you have several customization options. Length. Choose between 150, 200, or 250 words depending on how detailed you want your letter to be. 200 words is the recommended length of a cover letter. Tone. Select from options like formal, confident, enthusiastic, warm, straightforward, or creative to match the company culture and your style. Additional instructions. Add any specific points you'd like the AI to include or emphasize. When you're ready, click the Generate Cover Letter button. Our AI will craft a compelling letter that introduces you, highlights your relevant qualifications, and expresses your interest in the position. Like the resume generation, this might take up to a minute as our AI carefully composes your letter. Once generated, your cover letter will open in a new tab. Again, be sure your browser allows pop-ups from this site. You'll also see an analysis of how well it addresses the key requirements from the job description. If you want to make changes, click the Edit Cover Letter button to open our interactive editor. Here you can refine any section of the letter to make it perfectly match your voice and style. When you're satisfied, click Download Cover Letter to save it as an HTML file that you can easily convert to PDF or print. And that's it. You now have a complete, professionally crafted application package that's specifically tailored to the job you're applying for. With RevvRally, you can repeat this process for every job application, ensuring that each one is perfectly customized to maximize your chances of landing an interview. Happy job hunting, and remember, RevvRally Career Assistant is here to help you every step of the way.